Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we're gonna be talking about my trash. So if you're interested, then please keep on watching. Okay, so I'm not gonna be like going into any order. I'm just gonna dig in here and talk to you guys about these products. Okay, some of these are being used out for my daughter, so I can also talk to you about some mommy advice, I guess. Yeah, let's go. First thing first is actually this women's energy, metabolism and bone support. This is the complete multivitamin. I've been using this gummy form vitamin for like years. I keep on buying them. I just have like a different use a different form of them now, but I'm still taking multivitamin gummies. So yeah, I love these. I have nothing bad to say about it. I would always repurchase these are things that I need in my daily life. Next thing is actually this Herbal Essence Naked 0% paraben conditioner. This conditioner I've shown you guys in a haul like maybe last year or the beginning of this year. My husband bought it for me, and at first I was kind of upset because this is not what I wanted. I like Herbal Essence line, but I was looking for a specific line that's like a light straightening or something type of conditioner, but he got this, so I'm like, what is this? And this is volumizing. Yeah, it gives you volume, and I have the most I already have natural volumized hair, so I don't need this, right? But the smell, woo! Smell is so good, you guys. It's like fresh but sweet, but not too sweet. It's like good. It's not like those fresh, like, you know, like linen fresh, like those you know, those liquid detergent fresh, not like those. Okay, it's the goods fresh. I don't know how else to describe this to you guys, but I don't know what it's in it. Mint? Does it has mint in it? I don't know what it is, but it's just, it smells so good, you guys. You should just go to wherever you buy your conditioner or your hair products from, and go smell this, and you know what I'm talking about. It smells so good, like so good. Alright, the next product is, no, I think you guys are not surprised anymore if you guys see this. This is my cleanser, Cetaphil. This is the daily facial cleanser. I've finished this long time ago actually, but I just saved the bottle to show you guys and to take a picture on Instagram also. But dude, this is like the best. Okay, you can even use it even when you're pregnant. That's how safe it is. The only thing is, this is for normal to oily skin, and the one that my husband bought me after this was for body and face, and that one didn't really work for me, I guess, because it was like for both body and face. I want something that's more for my face. But you'll see in the next haul that I bought a new Cetaphil face wash that's only for oily skin, and that works much better for me right now. As you guys know, or if you don't know, I used to have like mostly dry skin before I was pregnant. I had dry skin and just semi-oily T-zone, but it was mostly dry. And then this Cetaphil really worked for me. And then while I was pregnant, I still used this, but I had the most oiliest skin. It didn't break me out. Thank you, Cetaphil, because I know I would have broken out if I didn't take care of my skin while I was pregnant because of all those oil. It clogs your pores, right? But this, it helped, but it didn't help with the oil. And I didn't really look into like other skincare like for oily skin back then. I don't know why. It took me almost 3 years later actually to do that now, because I finally am accepting the oiliness of my skin. I'm finally accepting that I have oily skin mostly now than combo skin. I have mostly oily skin, and that's when I started seeing results. But anyways, I'll talk to you guys I will talk to you guys more about that in the other video, but anyways, this is still good. It's more for combo skin and normal skin, not too much oily skin. The next thing is this Shea Moisture Raw Shea Chamomile or Argan Oil Baby Wash and Shampoo. I got this for my daughter, obviously, and you can use it in the bath as a bubble bath also. I saw that her hair became more curly. Her curls became more defined when I used this, and her skin, well, I don't really see a difference on her skin because we use like baby safe products on her skin. We always have been using that, so I don't really see that. But on her hair, it's like, I guess because it's more natural than the Aveeno that we use right now, I can see the difference. I'm definitely gonna repurchase this. All their kids line, I want to try it out for my daughter because I feel bad. I didn't accept her curly hair before. Like, I wanted to be more, you know, straight, but now it's like, you know, she has beautiful curls. Why would I want to change that, you know? So yeah, I am going to repurchase this for sure because it's 100% natural. The next thing, I bought this also for my daughter. This is the Lush body lotion, the sleep body lotion. I bought this for my daughter because I wanted her to sleep longer at night, and it did not work. Let me just tell you that it did not work, or maybe she was used to drinking water in the middle of the night, so she would always wake up for water no matter what, so she does not sleep through the night. Back then I used this like last year and the beginning of this year, so this was a long time ago. She sleeps through the night now, obviously. I'm in my room because she sleeps in her own room. Yay! Anyways, the sleep body lotion, pretty much almost done. That's how the color looks like. It's almost purple. It's purple, it's lavender color. The smell, I guess the smell is the one that really helps you with sleep. Like, it's calming. Lavender scented skin. Yeah, it's calming, and that's it. I would say it works more for me than for my daughter because, sorry guys, my freaking noise. I would say it works more for me than my daughter because when when she used this, like I said, it didn't help. But it's good on her skin because it's, you know, it's natural. But like it smells, my hand smells good, and you know, when I put my hand next to my face I fall asleep easier, and of course I'm exhausted, so I'll always fall asleep easy. But yeah, I don't know if I would repurchase this because I don't really need it. I have like a pillow mist if I really need to sleep, or like if I can't sleep I can just use that. So if you need to sleep, if you need a lotion, use this. I'm not really a lotion person. Next thing, you guys might, if you have watched my video for a long time, you know about this L'Oreal Go 360 Clean face lotion, face cleaner. I've used this for many years, and one of the part that I like about this is actually the silicone. There are a lot of silicones out there that you can buy and use on your skin, but I feel like this is like great. I can compare this to the Wish one, the one from from Shop Miss A, and you can see the difference between the bristle. This one is more fine and more silicone-y, and that one is more thick, and it hurts your skin. It doesn't go clean your skin, it's kind of just bumps into your skin. That's why I stopped using that, and I never talked about it, and I don't have it on my Facebook sale because I don't believe in it. Anyways, but yeah, I love this product. I use this especially when I need to like clean my face from my makeup. This really helps with that. It's very gentle. It kind of foams out too, and that's kind of how I feel like my makeup is really taken off, is when the product starts to foam, and I start to feel the product on my skin more than the makeup. I would repurchase this if they still have it, because it's a good product, and also it comes with a cleanser. So yeah, I like that a lot about it. Next thing, this is the conditioner that I told you guys about. This is what I use all the time. This is the Smooth collection. So Liss, that's like a straight hair. This really helps with my hair to get more smooth and straight, because as you all know, I have natural wavy curly hair, frizzy hair. So this really helps with that. I can see the difference now that I'm using like different, you know, conditioner, but I have to use other conditioner and other shampoos on my hair. I have to always, you know, swap it, because I don't want my hair to get used to certain products only, and will not, you know, do anything to other products. But yeah, this is the Herbal Essence conditioner in the Smooth collection. This is 100% irresistible, it says. I really like this. I recommend it for any of you that have, like, you know, curly hair like me, and you want it to be a little bit manageable when you straighten it. Especially this will, you know, smooth your hair and make it straight before you straighten it. Make it more straight. I will repurchase for sure. Okay, next one is this energy aromatherapy body wash and foam bath. Oh, you can use it in the bubble bath too. It gives you energy, like I said. This is from Bath and Body Works. I actually, to be honest with you, I bought this like years ago, like 2 years ago, and I only finished this now. I don't think it expires, I don't think, but I just like the smell. I don't know if it really energizes you, to be honest, but I just love the smell. It's, you know, it's ginger and orange and ginger, so that's pretty much how it smells, like orange and ginger. It gives you, it makes you fresh, it makes you feel fresh and refreshed, and maybe that's why it's supposed to be energizing. I don't know if it really gives you energy, but I just like it. I don't really want to repurchase it, because I purchased this for my husband when he used to always be tired back then. I got him the stress relief and this, and I am the one who ended up using it, because he didn't use it. Anyways, next thing, deodorant. We all use deodorant. This is my favorite type of deodorant so far, because this is the gel form. Oh my gosh, look at it's melting. You guys can see that? It's gross. This is the Lux Lavender scent. I don't really like this scent, to be honest with you. It doesn't really go well with my body chemistry, but I like it because it's gel, and maybe that's why there's still some in here, because I stopped using it and just moved on to another one because I couldn't stand the smell anymore. But I am looking to check out those natural deodorant that doesn't have doesn't stain your clothes either. I'm looking to those, so yeah, I'll let you know. You'll see it in a haul eventually if I end up buying them. Alrighty, next thing, okay, face wash. Neutrogena Natural Purifying Facial Cleanser. So this one, this is the kind of cleanser that you need if you don't really need anything for on your skin. Like if you have just perfect skin, you have been taking care of your skin all the time, you don't need any needs. You don't have acne, you don't have oily skin, you don't have irritated skin, you just need to wash your face. This is your guy. But if you, like me, like sometimes your skin gets all messed up and you need extra loving, sometimes your skin gets extra oily, sometimes your skin is irritated from all the makeup, it doesn't really work. So yeah, it took me forever to finish this product, because like I said, it's like if I wasn't, for example, if I'm waking up in the morning, I wash my face, and throughout the day I don't wear makeup, and at night I need to wear I need to wash my face again for some reason, this is what I use. So if I don't really need to like extra cleaning on my face, I just need to a little swipe, wash, this is what I need. So pretty much I'm not gonna repurchase this. Just nah, it's nah. Next product, I just used this last night. This is the Dr. Jart Shake and Shot face mask, and this is the soothing one. I still have a lot left in here. Oh wow, look at that, guys. It's so sad that this feels like, you know, those the white part of the egg, like egg yolk. Is it egg yolk? Yeah, anyways, I used this last night and I really love it. I would recommend it for anyone that has like irritated skin. I felt my face felt so smooth right away after I took it off. I mean, you know that amazing feeling when the products works well and you just feel it right away. When I was peeling this off, because it's a peel off mask, I felt so relieving, so soothing. Even like when I touched my skin, it felt like so replenished, and you know, like it just soaked up all the product. The only thing that I don't like about this is, as I showed you, there's still a lot of product in here, and I'll show you a picture right now. I put as much products as I could on my face. Like I put it as thick as possible, but it's still, there's a lot, and you can only use this once because the directions says use it within 3 hours of mixing the products to apply it on your face. So eventually, obviously, you cannot reuse it anymore. And as you can see, the product already got like a mask in there, so you cannot use it anymore. So that's the only thing, is like, you know, I don't think anybody's face is that big where you can use up all this product. I mean, the packaging is kind of cute, it's gimmicky. My friend, she gave me this. She gave me 3 of these. Thanks, Monica. If you're watching, hello. So yeah, I love it. I would recommend Dr. Jart face mask. Next product, using the Nair Nourish Shower Power. This is the 100% Moroccan argan oil and argan blossom for legs and body. This is the in shower one. If you guys don't know, I am the most hairiest woman you would meet. Just kidding. I am hairy, okay? My hair, my leg hair especially, they grow the next day. If I shave it tonight, tomorrow morning you see a little stumble coming out. That's how fast my hair grow. And that's why some people ask me like, how does your hair grow so fast? How does your hair grow so fast? Because every time I cut my hair, it grows really fast. It takes less than a year to get it, like from my shoulder to, you know, below my breast. So yeah, my hair grows really fast everywhere. So I've been trying to find some way to like reduce my hair growth or make it like grow slower, or make it like less thick, because it's really thick and coarse as well. So I've been using this, and it was not yeah, I didn't succeed. This is not the reason why my hair is not growing right now. I will show you something else later, but this is not the reason why. The only reason why I like this is because I can use it in the shower. Like, it activates with the warmth of your shower or whatever, the steam of your shower. But there's still products in here, and it does not come out, you guys. This pump stops working after a few times, so there's probably some products still like down here, and it's just waste of money because this was not cheap. It was like, what, $20 for this little bottle. My hair did not grow as fast, but it still grew, like, you know what I mean, like it didn't really, how do I say that, it didn't really, I was not impressed, okay? It came with like a little spot where you can just scrape it off after you put the nail on your skin. and it just didn't work out. I bought another bottle, and I think I'm just gonna throw it away right away because it burns my skin. This one does not burn because I guess it has the argan oil, so it kind of like works with smoothing your skin, but the other one burns my skin, and I was just over it. And I'm over shaving as well, so I'll let you guys know what I'm using right now on my legs. It really works. Anyway, so no buying those anymore. Yeah, another baby product. This is the Aveeno Baby. This is the Calming Comfort and Calming Comfort Bath. This is the lavender and vanilla scent. This is what I've been using before the Shea Moisture. We always go back from Aveeno products and Shea Moisture for my daughter, and I mean, obviously I like it. That's why I go back to it. I feel like it's really gentle on her skin because her skin tends to get dry really easily, just like mine. I am just like that also. So this really works, and I'm pretty sure this is tear free and paraben free and pH phthalate free. So it's supposed to calm baby before bedtime. I don't think it does. I mean, she can get nuts still, but it's gentle on her skin, and that's why I really like Aveeno. I use Aveeno baby lotion also on my baby. So, and I've been using Shea Moisture also. I think I just threw the Shea Moisture away, but I've been using that too. So like I said, we go back and forth between those two products. Next thing, my Garnier micellar water. You guys know how much I love this. I really love this. The only thing that doesn't work for me with this is the waterproof mascara. It does not remove that. Other than that, it works well. This is the micellar water, cleansing water, pink bottle. I want to try the blue top next time because that one is for waterproof makeup. But this works well, guys. Like I said, when I use it and I don't wash my face after, it's okay because my skin feels clean. Because it says here you don't have to rinse your face. So this gives me the excuse of being lazy but still cleaning my face after makeup and not feel so guilty because it says right there. But anyways, you still have to clean your face, but this gives you that clean sensation, and it does remove all the makeup that you need except waterproof. Okay, so repurchase for sure. Next thing, another vitamin. This is the Central Multi Gummy for adults. So me and my husband, we both use this, and well, it was okay. I finished fast because it's a small bottle, but maybe not purchasing that anymore because we have our own vitamins now. We don't share anymore. Next thing is my Dickinson Pore Perfecting Toner. I already repurchased this. Look at how big the bottle is, right? It lasts you forever. You guys know, like, every single toner I've used before really burns my skin, like burns, but this is 100% natural, and that's why I keep on going back to it. There's some people that use the witch hazel. This is the original one. This is the original witch hazel, but there's another one that's like the more popular than this. I think that one is more expensive than this, and this one is at Walmart. I think Target has it too now, but I get this from Walmart for like $2 or $4 now, and the other one is like $4 or $5. But anyways, I like this because 100% natural. It doesn't burn my skin. It lasts me forever, and yeah, repurchase. Next thing is my e.l.f. setting spray. This is just the makeup mist and set. This is the original one. This is with the aloe vera and some stuff. I've repurchased this many times. The only thing that I hate about this is the spray. It's like water like on your face. I just used another one today, and dang, it's like somebody woke me up with water on my face. But other than that, it does work. I mean, I'm using the matte mattifying today, and I'm still matte, and it's hot in here, you guys. So yeah, always repurchase that. Oops. Next thing is my original Fantasia hair polisher heat protector straightening serum. That's I always emphasize that straightening serum to people, because they say I use the same hair polisher but you don't use the straightening serum. There's a reason why I use this specific one to help my hair be straight when I straighten it, you know. Yes, I do see the difference when I don't use this, when I don't put this on my hair before I straighten it. I can see the difference. Also, I see the difference. It does not protect my hair against the heat. I use another heat protectant after this, but it does help my hair get straight. More straight before I use my straightening serum or my straightener. Repurchase, always repurchase. Okay, last but not least is this Burt's Bee Baby Bee Bubble Bath. This is also tear free, 98.9% natural, it says. I love this for my daughter as well, for her bath time. We used this a lot for her bath time before. I think I used it once also, and I love it. It's very natural. What is the scent? It's not really annoying scent, but I don't really like it. It's like a, what kind of scent is that? Like more bee, but not like the most natural bee scent you ever smell. Or the most natural honey scent that you ever smell. I don't know how to describe it, but it's just a little too much for me, a little too musky, I don't know, but it's more natural for my baby, so I really liked it. I really lathered. The bubbles is really bubbly. Alrighty guys, yeah, if you can see these pictures right now on my floor, you'll be like, wow. Anyways, that's pretty much it for today's video, you guys. Thank you so much for staying this long. Thank you so much for hearing me rumble and tell you my opinion about these products. I like this type of video because it's kind of like a review, you know. You tell people how you feel about certain things, and you know, you finished it all the way until the end, so you know exactly what you're talking about, right? Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching. If you don't know yet, I have some other social media accounts other than YouTube, so go ahead and check me out over there. If I'm not here, I'm always there. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Don't forget to like the video if you do like it, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye guys.